popping in really quickly to say thank you so much to Ana Luisa for actually sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know what Ana Luisa is, it's actually a jewelry brand that uses recycled materials in their jewelry whenever possible. They're very transparent about their business practices, and they also have a very sustainable mission behind their brand. Really quickly, I'm just going to show you guys the 3 pieces that they sent me. I will be wearing all of these throughout the video, so in case you guys catch a glimpse of my jewelry, just know that it's from Ana Luisa. So the first item that they sent me is actually this super cute Noah ring. Originally this is about $60, but right now it's actually on sale for about $53. You guys already know I'm obsessed with gold jewelry. I feel like it's so simple but so classy and elegant, and it's definitely one of my favorites from this little mini haul. The next ring that I got from them is actually this little ring right here. It's called their shiso ring. This is kind of like a chain ring. I think it's so classy, so elegant. Normally this one is about $40, but right now it's on sale for $35. I've honestly never seen a ring like this one. It's so cute, and I just love how the chains connect with each other. Not only that, but it's so comfortable to wear as well. Like half the time I forget that I even have it on. And then the last item that they sent over is actually these little super cute Suzanne huggies. Fun fact, these are actually my first pair of huggies that I've ever gotten. Normally these are $60, but right now they're going for $53 because they are on sale. And I also really like how it has crystals on this outside part. I think it's so cute. So those were actually the 3 pieces that Ana Luisa sent me. I did wear all of these to my sorority semi-formal, but then as you could tell, today I'm just wearing them with a more casual everyday look. They're very versatile. I just love how you could wear them with literally anything. Prices do range from $39 to higher end prices, but there's literally something for everybody, which is what I personally really love about the brand. Once again though, I will have all of these pieces linked down below for you guys, as well as a link to their website in case you guys are interested in checking them out. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa once again for sponsoring today's video. So let's go on and continue with today's vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be filming a college day in my life finals edition. Today I actually have 2 finals. They're kind of back to back. I've definitely been a little bit stressed out this morning. That's why I went to the gym just to kind of like de-stress a little bit. So the first final that I'm going to take in literally a few minutes is actually for my visual communications class. And then later I do have like writing that's due at 9. That's pretty much my update. So please don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on my Instagram, TikTok. I'll have it on the screen and down below as well. Definitely a little bit stressed out right now. So this is basically what my D2L page looks like for Kennesaw. I have 2 tabs open. This one right here is for my visual communications class. The final exam opens up at 6 p.m. and then it closes at 8 p.m. So I still have like about an hour to get on this again. And then for this second class, I just pulled up my little writing for public communications tab. I just have to submit it before 9 p.m. Literally as soon as I submit that exam, I need to make sure to submit like the writing one as well. By the way, you guys, I got chicken salad chick earlier. If you guys haven't ever gotten chicken salad chick, that thing is so good. My big actually introduced me to chicken salad chick, and ever since then I've been so addicted to it. If you guys haven't tried it, I always get the Sassy Scotty on a salad. So good. You guys have to try that. Once you try it, you're gonna be addicted and you're just gonna want to keep going back. Also, last night I stayed up pretty late studying for my visual communications exam, so that's why I'm not really like scrambling to do that right now. But right now what I do need to do is this writing. Oh, I also need to bring my water bottle because I'm literally gonna die of dehydration if I don't. about to be 6 p.m. so my visual communications exam is about to open. Whenever I'm done with my other exam, I just need to come back and work on what's left, but I'm a little bit less stressed out, but I definitely still have so much I'm focusing on. Yeah, that's my update. I actually need to get ready because I'm about to take this one in literally like 2 minutes. I'm also hoping I don't have to do it until 8 p.m. so hopefully I can end a little bit earlier, but we'll see. Update, I was just about to start my final for visual comm. It's literally like 6:02 and then it says that I have to enter a quiz password and I don't even have a quiz password. Like, she didn't tell us anything about that, so I'm just looking at the group me right now and literally everybody doesn't know what's going on. It's actually really funny. Like, somebody was like, does anyone know the quiz password? I'll keep you guys updated. I have no idea what's going on, but at least I know I'm not the only one that doesn't have the password, because yeah, she just did not say anything about that. I guess this buys me time to continue working on my writing. So I'm gonna pull up the little Word document and continue that. Okay, so somebody emailed her, but I still don't know what the heck is going on. So that's my update. We're clearly off to a great start today, ladies and gentlemen. Oh wait, she removed it. Okay, this lady and her quiz password. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna start on it now because she removed the quiz password. Update, I just finished my final exam. It's literally 7:41 and I had like 22 minutes left. 47 questions, so I'm just gonna submit this now. I literally always hate it when I'm so close to getting an A, but I just don't. Looks like I got an 87 on my final. I actually just submitted the writing final, so that one does take longer for it to get graded, so I'm not really gonna know what my score is until later on. I was also using my AP style book because I had to look up a few things and make sure that they were like in AP style. Not gonna lie, my brain is literally fried. It's just been a very interesting finals week. Tomorrow is actually my sorority's semi-formal, so I'm actually happy that I got these 2 finals with over today, so then tomorrow I don't really have to worry about anything. I'm definitely planning on filming a little like semi get ready with me type video. In that video I'll probably show you guys like my dress, so stay tuned for that video. It'll probably go up after this one. It's been a very interesting, busy but productive day. I'm probably gonna take a breather for right now and then I'll just let you guys know what I do after, because I don't even know. I just know I'm done doing schoolwork for a minute. It's actually like a little bit later. I honestly took a break because I'm honestly like really drained, really tired after those 2 finals. So if today's video is a little bit shorter, I honestly apologize. I really thought I was gonna film a lot more. Right now, I'm actually gonna take a shower because I actually have semi-formal for my sorority literally tomorrow. I think I said that earlier already, but I just basically have to shower and like shave my legs and stuff like that so I don't look like a mess tomorrow. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the video off here because I'm not gonna do anything super exciting. I'm just gonna shower and then take my makeup off, do my skincare. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. It'll be on the screen once again and linked in the description box. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I loved their gold jewelry so much and I wore it clearly like throughout the whole video. I'm just now about to take it off and I love these little huggies as well. That's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, subscribe for more and I will see you guys in another video coming up very soon. Bye guys.